Well, good morning, everybody. This is Terry with Terry's Travels, and today we have another van tour. Yay! It is a Promaster, and I don't think I've ever been in a Promaster before, but my new friend Tambra that I met here at the meetup, she's going to show us her van. We're going to do a little van tour. So y'all come on, let's go check it out. Y'all are going to absolutely love this van. I'm just so impressed by it, and it's awesome. If I ever sell my little van here, that's something I think I'm going to have to go towards, is something like that. It's an awesome build. So let's go look.
Hi, my name is Tambra, and this is my van, the Ram 3500, extended roof and extended distance.
Tell me about your awning here.
Clear wood here.
Okay.
So,
yes.
just an Amazon.
It's Amazon, that's
And
nice.
it's just held on by 3 suction cups up on the top, and then just the tension rods.
Okay.
And then we put these pool noodles so people don't trip.
That is a fabulous idea. I'm getting a pool noodle. I'm going to be doing the same thing with mine. That's like the best idea ever.
And then just little rugs so you keep all the outside, not on the inside. A little camp chair and a table.
Y'all, and she's also got this really cool, this is how she's keeping her, this is how she keeps her everything clean. She's got like a
boot brush.
boot brush. Yeah, that's really cool.
And then just a little hand brush for the sides.
Yeah, nice. And look how clean it is. You know, mine doesn't look like that.
So then on the roof, I have 525 of solar.
Okay.
And 220 for auxiliary power.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
So
look.
this is in addition to on the roof, on the ground, and 525 on the roof.
Okay, 220 on the ground and
525 on the roof.
525 on the roof. Okay.
Okay. So over here is when you're at a campsite that you can plug in. This is a 30 amp. So you can plug in, and then this, I had this put in auxiliary for the solar panels.
Okay.
To,
Wow, this is so fancy. Oh my goodness, look at all of that space under there.
So I have my Blue Eddy. It's an AC 300. So it's a 3,000 watt hour. This is the solar station, and then 2 batteries. So these are 3,000 watt hours each.
Okay.
And of course the on the ground and on the roof.
Okay.
So solar generator and then 2 batteries, 3,000 watts each.
Uh-huh.
So of course they're charged by the ground panel.
Right.
And what's on the roof.
Okay.
Then in here, these support legs, I didn't want to attach them, so when I need to get in, they come out.
Oh, that's cool. Who knew?
Right?
Yes.
They all pop out. So 22 gallons of fresh water. And then, of course, I have outlets everywhere.
So, I mean, that would be my thing. I'm an outlet freak. So you had all this installed then?
Oh, no, I did all that.
You did it all by yourself?
I did all this. I did floor, the ceiling, the walls, the electric, the insulation.
What?
Everything.
Oh, no. I think this is going to be my next thing, y'all.
Yeah.
I love it.
The bed platform is just a piece of lattice. So it breathes, it's lightweight.
Yeah, see,
I can take it out. Everything comes out. Nothing is really attached. It's just gravity.
Okay.
The ceiling is gravity. They're individual pieces, and they just sit on those ledges. And if I need to get in there for the electrical, I just push them up, pop them out, and I have access.
Oh, unbelievable.
So everything's like a convertible.
Oh, wow. So here's a question I have.
So then 22 gallons of fresh water.
Uh-huh.
And this is the vent, because you have to vent it, because it has to breathe so it doesn't seize up.
Okay.
So this is the fill. So I have a hose at home, and I put it in there, and it has a filter. So it's filtered. It comes from my well, filtered. When it goes in there underneath my sink, I have another filter. so it's filtered twice
Okay.
before you drink it.
Okay.
And then it just comes from my well water from home.
Yeah. Okay.
So in here, I have, if you can see back there,
Oh, I do.
oh, the circuit breaker box.
Uh-huh.
That's for all your AC 110, 220 outlets.
You did that yourself too?
Yep, and I even built that box. And then there's 12 volt fuse box for everything that's DC.
Okay.
So you have DC, AC.
I
And
am
then
so impressed.
here's the, this is the connection for the solar panels. One for the ground and one for on the roof.
Okay.
And then this will tell you, you know, I'm getting 93 from solar, and right now I'm 71%.
Okay.
So
Wow, that's neat. I'm just so impressed by that.
because
Okay.
at first I had one big tub, it was too heavy. Then I was taking the whole thing out to look for one thing, and I'm like, nope. So I divided it up, labeled everything, and now I can just look for something when I need it. I see it.
Right. All right.
So,
Oh, wow.
And then this pops back in there, and it's just pressure. So when you sleep on the bed at night, it just holds.
It holds nice and tight.
Yeah, just gives
Yeah.
a little extra support.
Yes.
So then on the outside, I put this tray here so we can have snacks, drinks, whatever, and then this little outlet. It's a GFI, so it's waterproof.
Okay. And you can,
You know, I'm just
right.
charging my phone right now.
That's impressive.
When I need to recharge my lights, that little cord will reach over and I can charge that.
Oh, yeah. I've got some of those in my cart. I'm gonna buy some of these lights.
Yeah, and then this is on a soft close.
And I have my own water and I have my own.
Oh wow, yeah, slow. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah,
All right.
so that this will lift up to extend your countertop.
Yeah.
And then on here, the cabinets are made out of 3/4 inch plywood, with the exception of this. This is just the back, so it's a 1/4 inch. But this is the same thing that's on the walls,
Okay.
just to make it clean and tidy it up,
All right.
rather than just having paint.
Okay. Let's go in, y'all. Oh, we're going in. Oh, look at the bed. Oh, and that, what is that right there? Is that's just
It's a freezer.
it's a freezer. Okay.
So if you stick right there, go ahead right there. So this will come up.
Okay.
So when I have this extended 70 inches, and then this comes off. And then I have a bench, so you can sit and sit.
And visit.
Two people
Yes.
sit and visit, and then this comes out.
There's your table.
Table. So it's on a soft close, but we're not even level. And then this is a freezer that's on a sled I built. It just slides out, opens up.
Yeah.
So it's just a freezer only.
Okay.
And, then,
And I can hear it running, so.
yeah, it's running. And then underneath this bench is a 4-gallon hot water tank.
Oh,
So
okay.
when I want to have it on, I just flip it on because it takes a lot of energy.
Yeah.
So flip it on. But when you don't want it on, just
Keep
so
it-
turns on for me.
Okay.
So because this is in the kitchen, this is another GFCI.
Okay.
And then this is the puck lights for the kitchen.
Oh, look at that, y'all. That is cool.
Kitchen. And then right behind you, I have puck light for this little booth area.
Oh, yes. Look at that.
And then
Oh, y'all, this is so nice. And she's got a little
I have puck light for the bed.
puck lights for the
bed
bed.
area.
Yes.
So then I have 2 Max Air fans.
Two fans, y'all. 2 fans.
And then this is just a little socket fan from Lowe's.
Yeah. Okay.
So then on this side, come on back, refrigerator here.
Oh.
So,
Oh, yeah.
so it's refrigerator only,
Yeah.
so you don't waste space with a freezer,
Right.
and you don't have to constantly defrost it. And then you have your freezer, and it doesn't interfere.
Right. Right.
And then it has a little microwave.
That is so cool. Oh my gosh. Have you thought of everything or
And
what?
then I have, just have to flip these. So this is drawers for clothes.
Oh yes. Nice.
Shoes.
The whole closet is right there.
Right there. And then this is the porta potty.
Oh.
Just bring this up. And there you go. So this was a bedside toilet, and I just chopped it up.
Yeah.
And it just sits in here. You can take it out, clean it when you need to.
That is perfect. Oh my
And then
gosh.
I put it on a shelf so that I have storage underneath
Oh yeah.
for your toiletries.
All your toiletries.
So,
Girl, this is so fancy.
and then I didn't do these cushions. I did have an upholstery. Make
Surprise,
these,
surprise. Cause
But I did. The one thing I don't do is sew. I can't sew nothing. But I picked the fabric, and then she made this. We did the colors.
yeah.
She made this for on a tension rod,
Oh yeah. That's
so they can come
cute.
down. And these windows.
Yeah, the windows. Don't tell me you did your own windows.
No, I bought the window from Manufacturer in California,
Okay.
and then I went over to DeLand to a van builder over there, and he cut the window and put it in.
So the whole window, the whole
Window.
okay, and then okay.
Yeah, he installed it, and then I framed it out. And then these
Wow.
upper cabinets. I wrote meds on there because this Debbie Jean, her pink card
Yeah.
is up there.
Yeah.
And I say on the pink card where my meds are.
Yeah.
So they're in here.
Okay. Yeah.
So I have these uppers, another upper.
I am just so impressed.
Then here's my cook stove.
Oh, wow.
Comes out, plugs in. So you can put it there, here, outside.
Wherever, yeah.
So it's on a soft close. And here's my kitchen. So utensils and everything you need for kitchen.
Right.
These are all
Girl,
on
this is better than any camper van that's been manufactured.
And then this is under the sink, so it's plumbed just like a house.
Right.
And this is a shower that I'm standing in.
Okay.
So I have my,
What do you mean where you're standing in?
I'll show you.
Okay.
So this is plumbed to a 15-gallon gray water, and the water is filtered. So 2 times filtered.
Yeah.
And then this is the shower pan.
Okay.
So it's 1.5 inches thick, the shower pan. So it's a 3/4 inch, and then this flooring is 3/4 inch, and it just happened to be perfect.
Well, okay.
And I put a suction cup, and I have a curtain, and then you stuff it in the shower pan, and then the water comes over, and it drains into the same.
I'm
I'll show
also
you pictures on my phone.
okay.
So,
Girl, that is so just amazing to
so
me.
then these clothes, so they look cute.
Oh yeah.
And then, let's see. And then my sink is just a bar sink.
Right.
So hot and cold water.
And
then just
where does your gray water go to then? Your gray water?
underneath,
Okay.
outside underneath.
Okay, outside of
And
that.
then it just has a drain.
Okay. Okay.
So when I get home and I'm done camping, I have a hose. I put it on and just drain it.
Okay. All right. Yeah. That's cool. Oh yeah. Wow.
So paper towels. I
Okay.
wanted to preserve these lights. A lot of people cover them up.
Yeah.
So the back in here, so when you open up your door, it'll come on for a couple minutes
Right.
and then they fade out.
Right. Right. Oh, that is all right.
And then I just put these on there the other day.
What is that then?
It's for the fan, the remote controls.
Remote control for the fan.
And then I have a little remote right here. That goes for this fan.
Okay.
And then right back here, I have a remote for that fan, and also a carbon monoxide
Very important.
sensor right here.
Right,
that I
right.
installed.
So important.
And then I just took some shower curtain or shower rods. Put no, these are to do your dish towels so they dry.
Right, whatever.
And then underneath there is just storage.
Storage. I love this
Cactus.
yes,
little
yes.
succulents, yeah.
Yes, I think that's precious. Yeah, there's a lot of personality in these little curtains and things like that, pillows, and yeah, so sweet.
So up here I just hung a curtain rod, blackout curtains, and then I put 4 little baskets up here. I mean, you can put clothes, winter stuff, and which acts also is insulation or anything that you want, just kind of up there and out of the way.
Right.
And then just your basic cab.
Okay.
So-
All right.
So the bed is a queen size bed. So I got 2 pieces of foam. They're 70 inches long, 30 inches wide, 6 inches thick, with a 2-inch foam topper. And then when you lay out, you don't even know there's 2 pieces.
Yeah.
So it's more comfortable than the bed in my house.
Oh yeah. I
And then
mean,
just a couple of throw pillows, and then the regular pillows.
and all the soft, comfy covers that you have on there. Oh yeah. You sleep like a
And
big
then
dog,
the
huh?
Fan for in the summer.
Yeah.
Plenty of fans. Just run the air. I don't have air conditioning, so plenty of fans to circulate the air. Plus the windows over here
Yes.
keeps a nice draft going.
Yeah. That is so nice. Oh man.
All the comfort to home.
Guess what? When I buy one of these, I'm coming to your house. Help me figure it out.
Okay.
Well, thank you so much for showing me your van. It is absolutely fabulous. I can't believe you did all this work on your own. But thank you for having me. I appreciate you letting me do that and taking up a little bit of your time.
Well, thanks for coming by.
Yes, we'll see you here in a little while.
Okay.